Hello folks, today we will do some sound comparison between my three ligatures. Let's start with the Rovner Versa. I've had this ligature for quite a few years now. This is my first ligature. This is made out of synthetic leather with a metal insert in the middle here. This is a little bit flexible. It comes with the regular cap right here. Okay. The next one I have is my Silverstein original ligature. It comes with the Omni cap. This one is made out of string attached to lightweight metal. I don't know if it's metal or alloy metal. So the only one touching the reed is the string. There is 5. Okay, and my latest addition is the Kodama 2 made by Woodstone. This is a leather with wood insert in the middle. I got this one yesterday. It comes with a it comes with a cap. So it's cut in the middle because the ligature is too thick. As you can see, how do I put it in? See? Right there. Okay, the clarinet I'm using today for comparison is my trusted Buffet R13, Chadash Barrel, Van Durin DB5 mouthpiece, and Ligier French cut synthetic reed size number 3. We will start with the Rovner Versa. Just FYI, between the Rovner Versa and the Kodama, the Rovner is quite flexible. The Kodama is stiff. This one feels like a leather belt. It's thick and a little bit heavy. Okay, let's try the Rovner Versa. Okay, so my distance to my phone is about 2 arms length. Okay. Okay, that's the Rovner Versa. Now, let's try the Silverstein original ligature. This was my go-to ligature for the last 2 years. It has a sound beam right here. You can move it up and down, and it changes the brightness and the darkness of the sound. The only problem I have with this ligature is the reed gets misaligned easily. Okay, Silverstein. Okay, big sound. Bigger than the Versa. And finally, my new favorite ligature, the Kodama 2. You can hear for yourself the sound quality. This one is sounding much bigger. Okay, so you can see the reed is floating, there's a space in between, right here. The only one touching the reed is the wood insert. Okay, that's the Kodama 2 leather ligature, made in Japan, handmade in Japan. Sound so much bigger and much open. It's brighter and has a bigger sound. I think the wood insert made a huge difference. You can feel the vibration from the mouthpiece all the way to the bell with your fingers and through your ears.